Ranjana re-release, filmmakers say originality will never change as AI-generated happy ending is added without director's approval. सोचिए अगर वो हार्ट ब्रेक जो फिल्म के एंड में तुम्हारे साथ रह गया था, एक दिन बिना वार्निंग के मिटा दिया जाए, कैसा लगेगा? सोचिए अगर किसी क्लासिक फिल्म की ट्रेजिक एंडिंग, जिसे आपने फ्लॉस के साथ भी पसंद किया था, सडनली एक हैप्पी एंडिंग में बदल दिया जाए। अभी शायद समझ नहीं आ रहा हो, पर रांझना के डायरेक्टर आनंद एल राय का तो दिल सच में टूट गया है। साल 2013 की कल्ट रोमांटिक ड्रामा रांझना, जिसका तमिल वर्जन अंबिका पथी के नाम से जाना जाता है, तमिलनाडु में दोबारा थिएटर्स में रिलीज होने जा रहा है। धनुष और सोनम कपूर स्टारर ये फिल्म 1 अगस्त 2025 को फिर से बिग स्क्रीन पर आएगी, लेकिन इस बार थोड़ी सी बदली हुई। इस बार फिल्म का ओरिजिनल हार्ट ब्रेक एंडिंग रिप्लेस कर दिया गया है एक हैप्पी एंडिंग से, जो बना है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के थ्रू। जी हाँ, सही सुना आपने। इस एआई ट्विस्ट ने इंडस्ट्री में काफी शॉक वेव्स भेज दिए हैं। सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं कि एक पुरानी फिल्म को एआई से ऑल्टर किया गया है, बल्कि इसलिए भी क्योंकि एलिजिडली ये सब बिना ओरिजिनल डायरेक्टर आनंद एल राय की परमिशन के बिना किया गया है। इस पूरे मुद्दे का सेंटर है कि इमोशनल क्लैश। एक तरफ एक हार्ट ब्रोकन डायरेक्टर जिसे लगता है डिस्टोपियन एक्सपेरिमेंट है, और दूसरी तरफ एक प्रोडक्शन हाउस जो इसे क्रिएटिव री इमेजिनिंग कह रहा है। ये सिर्फ एक फिल्म का एंडिंग चेंज होने का केस नहीं है, ये लार्जर क्वेश्चंस उठाता है कि स्टोरी का असली मालिक कौन है, क्रिएटिविटी की बाउंड्रीज कितनी ज्यादा स्ट्रेच की जा सकती हैं, और फ्यूचर में एआई से फिल्म री रिलीज का क्या मतलब निकलेगा। जूम से एक्सक्लूसिव कॉन्वर्सेशन में कई फिल्म मेकर्स ने आनंद एल राय को सपोर्ट किया और इस कंट्रोवर्सी पर रिएक्ट किया। गदर 2 के डायरेक्टर अनिल शर्मा ने कहा, "These days you can do anything with AI and that's probably what they have done. But they definitely should have involved the director. The market has its own logic and creativity has its own value too. It's about finding a place between both. Secondly, AI is a challenge. It's here now. A new world is coming and we can't fight it. We need to step on it and go in the right direction, find ways to move forward with it and learn how to use it in creative ways." AI को challenge and opportunity दोनों कहकर शर्मा ने आगे कहा, "The world is changing. First we had stage plays, then silent films, talkies, color, videos, CDs, TV, OTT, and now AI. We have to go with the flow. The world won't stop for us." लेकिन उन्होंने अपनी नाराजगी भी क्लियरली जताई। If they did this without telling the director, it's wrong. Ultimately, the creativity was his. And if someone wants to make their own version at the very least, they should involve the original director. That's only right. No one has the right to mess with someone else's creation. I believe that when a creator makes something, no one else has the right to change it unless the creator permits it. जब बात आई इंडस्ट्री के फ्यूचर की, तो शर्मा ने कहा कि कैसे बाउंड्रीज ब्लर हो गई हैं। Earlier, the media was in the hands of journalists and broadcasters. Now it's in everyone's hands. Everyone is making reels. No one is drawing any lines anymore. And that's the sad reality. People now say 90% of entertainment comes from reels, so we are just watching 3-minute, 2-minute, and even 90-second clips. So reels have become the main form of entertainment. Where do you even draw the line? Maybe in a few years, we won't even need a director, photographer, writer, actor, or cinematographer. We'll just imagine a film and AI will create it. Do we have a choice? No, we don't. I personally don't want the future. I want it to be real, but we have no choice. This is how the world works now, and it's moving forward. सोनम कपूर की टीम से भी कमेंट के लिए रीच आउट किया गया, लेकिन अब तक उनका कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया। Indiradhar, who made waves with her Bengali debut Putul, a film that was even in Oscar contention, also shared her thoughts on the ongoing controversy. The original version of a film can never be replaced by any technology because human performances cannot be replaced. Definitely, it depends from scripts to scripts. She elaborated further, stating it's not at all fair to the director. The director is the captain of the ship, like the entire circus, and without informing the director, hindering his or her creativity and re-releasing a film without the knowledge of changing the climax is not fair. There is no problem in using AI. The future is yet to be seen, but a film is made by the director, not by the producer. The producer only gives the money, so if the subject is demanding AI intervention, then that's fine. If not, it's not required forcefully. Even when it was released 12 years back, one song was very famous. And I'm sure the director had a lot to do in the film. I stick to the point that without the director's knowledge, doing something like this is not fun. Responding to Eros' comment that their move was a creative reimagining, not a replacement, Dhar commented, I feel if they have the director in place to agree with that, then that's okay. But if the director is not informed and hindered in their creativity, then I don't think it's a very fair thing to do. To explain her stance, she offered a relatable comparison. I will explain this to you with a very small example. VFX was something which was introduced about 30 years ago, but yet we enjoy films which are in their original versions, films made 70 or 80 years ago. So there is your answer. Originality will never change. Like people imagined having a film made totally by VFX, there are such films, but we don't enjoy them much. It is okay for animation, but not much otherwise. Maybe one or two magnum opuses, but not always. Where a film or script demands performances, where is the place for VFX? Now that Ranjana has returned to the big screen with a modified climax, it raises a larger question. In our eagerness to modernize beloved stories, are we also stripping them of the authenticity that made them resonate in the first place?